Hello there, everybody. It's Diorama Don here again, and today's subject is a Dutch house. Because I am half Dutch, I have an interest in the architecture. It's quite unusual, really. Not Holland and a lot of northern European countries have a rather a unique architecture style. So I'm always interested in that kind of thing. So we've got a basic shape. Let's just move that back so you can see. We've got the basic shape of the front of the house. The front door you get up by. Let's put that down. Some steps. This is all 3mm cardboard, by the way. Quite a substantial thickness, difficult to cut, but with a sharp knife it is doable. And again, 3mm cardboard, it's just 5 pieces of card stuck together to make the entrance, stairs for the entrance there. And for the top, we will the sides will go off from the side, but the top needs to have more thickness. So I've put some polystyrene on the back there, so that when we come to put the covering, if you like, of that section, then it'll be the right thickness. So that's that. And then for the window frames, I've cut these small pieces of, again, 3mm cardboard, and they will go around the window frames like so. Like that. So we'll have that effect. And then strange sized bricks they have in Holland. Very, very narrow and very long. Whether I'll be able to recreate that shape of brick, I don't know. But it doesn't matter. I'll try, but if not, it doesn't matter. But I'll make individual bricks that will stick in between the window frames there. So I will carry on and make the rest of the house. It won't be that deep. It doesn't need to be that deep. With an apex roof going that way. You can't see. Hang on. Going that way. Well, slate roof at the back there. But it's the front of the house really that will dominate the feature. So I will put my window frames on and make the rest of the house, and I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so it's taking shape a bit better now. We've got the surrounds of the windows, and we've made a bit of a house of it. The roof is starting to get a bit complicated, but that will sit on there as the roof, and then a flat piece along there, I think. Windows. There are a lot of windows, so I've got 8 of these large ones to do. So I've marked them out wholesale. All 8 windows there. So I've got 6 windows, 6, 8, 48 windows to cut out. This is 2mm cardboard. So a long job to cut all those out, but when the window frames are painted green, sitting behind the white frames, they'll look really nice. And then I've got the bricks to make and put between the the windows there. The top is looking very Dutch at the moment. That will have something else put on there, just to finish off that shape there. But looking okay for the moment. Oh, So there we are. I'll carry on with the windows, put those in, and we'll take it from there. Okay, now we've got a bit further. We've got the roof on. I'll just lift that up a bit. There's the roof on there. I don't know what these are. I've just had them for a long time, but they just seemed appropriate to stick on the side there. Make it look a little bit more ornate. Got the base done there. I've go down a bit more. I put a rail around the steps so nobody falls off, and that will sit there. I've made the all the doors and windows. Took a bit of time, but I shall put some acetate behind there for the glass, and then they will sit behind there, like so. So there'll be 8 of those. Okay, so they're the doors, windows, and then I've managed to cut some very, very small bricks. If I just bring them up, they're as small as I dare make them without them falling to pieces. So as soon as they're dry, then I'll fill in the spaces between the windows, and just a little bit to the sides. I won't do all the sides. And then that will be all. One Dutch house. Okay. So I'll put the bricks on and I'll be back in a moment. Well, there we are. Finished the house. All the bricks on. And the steps in the front there. I'll give you a closer look. It was a bit of a job fixing all the bricks individually. I did that on the front, and then on the sides I did it the other way. If you look at my video explaining how I do my bricks, there are 2 different ways. So the first one is I made the bricks and stuck them on separately, and the other one is I laid my tile grout onto the cardboard and then marked out the bricks. So that was a lot easier to do. In fact, much easier. It took me ages to do. But with the green windows and the white surrounds, it looks quite good. So it's just that I'm proud of my Dutch heritage, and I wanted to show, well, it's for my own benefit really. I shall put that on display on my living room shelf. Okay, so that's the end of this project. Thank you very much for watching the video. Again, if you've enjoyed the show, please click the subscribe button. There's no charge, completely free, and you'll be informed when I put new videos up, which is normally at least twice a week, sometimes 3 a week. Lots of different things, different subjects. So again, thank you for watching, and if you have a go at modelling yourself something like this, please let me know how you get on, and in the meantime, happy modelling.